catching on to catch a cold. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a common English phrase that you've probably heard before, catch a cold. We're going to unpack what it means, how to use it, and give you tips to remember it. So, let's clear the air and get to the bottom of this chilly expression. When someone says they caught a cold, they mean they have become sick with a cold. But there's no actual catching involved. It's just a way to say that someone has become ill. Think of catch here as another word for get. It's a phrase that's used informally to describe the start of a cold, which is a common viral infection. The phrase, catch a cold, has been around for centuries. It originates from the old belief that cold weather could make you sick. Although we now know that colds are caused by viruses, the phrase has stuck around. It's a part of everyday English language and is recognized around the world. You can use catch a cold in several ways. For example, I think I caught a cold from my brother. He was sneezing all week. Be sure to dress warmly so you don't catch a cold. There's a lot of sickness going around the office. I hope I don't catch a cold. While catch a cold is understood internationally, different English-speaking countries may have their own variations or similar phrases for getting sick. For instance, in some places, you might hear, come down with a cold. It's interesting to note these small differences as you practice your English. That's a wrap on our exploration of catch a cold. Remember, it's all about context and usage. With this phrase in your language toolkit, you'll sound more like a native speaker in no time. Keep practicing, stay warm, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, goodbye and stay healthy.